Hello, my name is John Hodgson. I'm doing a demonstration video for the 3D printer, and I will now show you my audience. I have two friends in the audience. The first one is Jim, who assisted me, and here is Mario. He's also assisting me. And we were responsibly showing our COVID protocol with social distancing at this point. Hello, name is John, and I will be showing you a demonstration on how to set up and start your 3D printer. In this instance, we have the ANET E10 printer. This is a printer I own and have at home. And we will show you the steps involved to create this part. This part here was a part of invention of mine, and I will show you the steps involved with the software. I will show you the steps starting the printer. I will show you as well the location of where my printer resides in my apartment. To start, in the world of 3D printing, I print because I need certain parts made. And for me to actually take that part and hire a company in the States or overseas to print this part, it would cost tens of thousands of dollars for them to even consider creating my part. However, with a home-bought 3D printer, a do-it-yourself kit, we can control the costs, and it costs approximately $500 for a good printer, or more, depending on the availability of a printer, your printing filament, and the softwares, many softwares that we show here, the NetFab, Autodesk NetFab. This is the demo, so it's free for use. And the slicer software to enable the printer is also free for use. So the costs are very low, and once you acquire the printer and print what you need, you can continue printing parts and things that you need after the original necessity of buying a 3D printer in the first place. In this demonstration, this is the actual 3D model of this particular shaped cone. This is the top view. We will now show the side view of the cone using the software on your computer to generate the cone that I needed. Now, after you create the part, you will need to use what we have is a slicer software. This is Cura. It's a freeware software, and this software instructs the printer how to actually print the part from the software that created the part in the process. These are called STL files, and these generates the time necessary to print your part. It tells you how long it takes and how much filament you use while making the 3D printer print the part. Now this here is my home setup of my 3D printer. You will see that it's in a cabinet. And the reason why it's in a cabinet is for two reasons. The second reason is that with an enclosed space, you are able to control the air temperature and the motion of air to keep the print quality very high. The primary reason is keep my cat away from the 3D printer, because the cat will get involved with the printer itself, and it will mess up your print. And so, on my 3D printer, this is the manufacturer's start page, where it tells you that the printer is ready for operation. Then you will preheat the PLA. This is the substance, this is this filament here that is used to create the actual 3D printed part itself. It's called PLA. Once you preheat the PLA, you will auto home the 3D printer so that the printer knows the locations of the access points, so it knows how to build the actual 3D part itself. It's very important. Then the print part that I talked about, which was the model, the 3D model, the STL file, that I put on an SD card and put inside the printer itself, so that the printer knows you can access the file so the printer can print the part. And in this case, we'll show you that the AE10 Fulstrum of conical shape, which is the name of the file that I used to print this particular part. Now, since you're new at the 3D printing, as myself, I've had 18 years of electronic experience, and I've had certification in industrial machine maintenance, I can easily operate and use a 3D printer. Now, my recommendations if you're starting this is, one, find a friend that knows what he's doing. You can also go to the YouTube channel, and on YouTube there is a channel called Thomas Sutherlander. He is very well versed in 3D printers and is a great assistance on YouTube. And locally in Las Vegas, there is a 3D shop, a manufacturing shop called SYNShop.org, and they assist you greatly with manufacturing products and help you as a local Las Vegas club. These are the means that give you assistance and enable you to print a 3D printer. Thank you for your time.
You went over by 2 seconds.